Today we're going to be working on shapes. Let's start with some geometric shapes like a square. You can stretch out a square and we'll get a rectangle. If we rotate it, you can stand it up on an edge like this. Let's try and rotate that square too, maybe by 45 degrees. Starts to look a little bit more like a diamond. If we cut that in half, the square is made up of two triangles. I can do the same thing with a rectangle. Draw one edge, then the other, and then connect the two. Now I can put a lot of triangles together. Maybe start with one here, and then draw the other two lines off of that, over and over and over again. Just keep connecting them until you have a shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an octagon. You can do the same thing with hexagons, pentagons, all of those other polygons. And then we've got circles. You can actually get a circle if you were to connect a bunch of triangles together and make them really tiny and skinny. Then we've got trapezoids. Now that's more of another geometric shape, and there's a lot of others that we don't cover here. Moving on to organic shapes. Things like leaves, stuff you would find in nature. Now compared to geometric, geometric has a lot of straight lines. But organic things, like I said, you're going to find them in nature. It's going to be plants, it's going to be animals. You know, maybe even something like, I don't know, maybe a lizard. So you'll notice as I'm drawing this lizard, there's no real straight line. And yes, this is a little bit of an abstract representation of a lizard. It's not perfect. It's not the most anatomically correct lizard, but you're getting the idea. These are organic shapes. Maybe even an amoeba. Just a blobby thing in nature, microscopic. Maybe even give it some of the like cilia. There you go. Tons of little hairs all over the amoeba to help it move around its environment. Now, just practice and combine. Start with any shape. I'm going to start with a hexagon. Try overlapping your shapes. Also remember to use different line weights. It helps make things a little more interesting. Add some curves, maybe even some more organic shapes. Combine the two. Make sure you're using geometric and organic at the same time. Gonna bring back that amoeba shape that I had earlier. Get some nice spark lines off of it. And have fun. Add those zigzags. Fill out your composition.